Okay, so I have been working on my Paradox UI system for Unity 5, and today I completed a nice feature, I guess. I implemented data templates for my controls. And what is a data template? A data template is just like a WPF data template. You create a data template to tell your controls how to render a particular type of data. In this case, I created 3 custom classes called SumInfo, SumColor, and something else, just to showcase different types of things. I already created a data template for the SumInfo class. It's here, it just returns a button. But I'm going to show you how easy it is to create a data template for a more complex object, let's say. So I'm creating a data template for the SumColor object. Just to get consistent, I'm going to call it SumColor data template. The only thing it needs to be a data template is to derive from this abstract class. And I missed the class. And implement the abstract method control get. Here, as it says, it returns a control that's going to be how your complex object is rendered by the UI system. In this case, I'm going to return a simple stack panel with some buttons showing the complements R and G and B. So let's create our simple buttons. Okay, and we set the contents of our button to what we want it to be. In this case, it's going to be the R component. So I'm going to set it like this, and R, and we add the button to our stack panel. Let's just repeat this 2 more times. This is going to be the ring and the blue channel, so R, G, and finally B. The last thing that I want to do is just to change the orientation of the stack panel. By default, it's vertical, so let's change it to horizontal. The last step needed is to actually add our data templates to the control. In this case, I'm using a preview node to add my custom data here. So we have a SumInfo, a something else instance, and a new SumColor. If we try this just like now, we're going to see that we actually have our preview and we have no data template, so it defaults by the toString method. In our case, our something else object has a toString overridden to show this, but we don't want to show this. We actually want to show something meaningful to the user. So we create our data templates. Like I was saying, the last step is just to add the data templates. And add, and you're gonna add in SumInfo data template, and you're gonna add a SumColor data template. We can have more objects just to show. And let it compile, and let's try again. If we open, we can see now that, for example, it shows correctly. We have a button here, which we can click and does nothing. And we have our custom color showcase with 3 simple buttons. And that's it. Thank you for watching.